Hi, myself Alakunta Navin, rule number 49 from ITA. My topic is about search engine. First of all, let us see about C language. C is a procedural programming language. It was initially developed by Dennis Ritchie in the year 1972. It was mainly developed as a system programming language to write an operating system. The main features of the C language include low-level memory access, a simple set of keywords, and a clean style. These features make C language suitable for system programming like an operating system or compiler development. Here we see search engine. Introduction. In this project, you will be designing and implementing a mini search engine. You're probably familiar with Google, Bing, which are some of the most popular search engines that you can find on the web. The task performed by a search engine is, as the name says, to search through a collection of documents. Given a set of text and a query, the search engine locates all documents that contain the keywords in the query. The problem may be therefore reduced to a search problem, which can be efficiently solved with the data structures we have studied in the class. Your task. Your task is to design and implement an algorithm that searches a collection of documents. You will have a lot of documents and a set of sample queries. You have the freedom to select the data structures and algorithms that you have to be more efficient for this task. Of course, you will have to justify your decisions. First, you will process the documents and store their content in the data structures that you selected. This space is called indexing. Next, for every input query, you will process the query and the search its keywords in the documents. Using the previously implemented data structures and an algorithm of your choice, the pace is called retrieval. For each such query, you will have to display the documents that satisfy the query. The search engine should support several operators such as and or Manchester, entitle, peanut butter, file type text, search for a price, put dollar in front of a number. For example, camera $40, 400. Search hashtags. Put hashtag in front of a word. For example, hashtag throwback Thursday. Search for an exact match. Put a word or a phrase inside quotes. For example, tallest building. Search for wildcards or unknown words. Put a star in your word or phrase where you want to leave a placeholder. For example, largest star in the world. Search within a range of numbers. Put between two numbers. For example, camera $50 to $100. Entering set will bring back results that include words like configure, collection, and change, which are all synonyms of set. Search engine features. Interactive search and inspection of source code. Efficiently search across millions of lines of codes, tens of thousands of source code files. Query in terms of language lexical constructs such as identifiers, numbers, operators, string literals, or comments to minimize false positives. Generic queries can match identifiers or string literals across multiple programming language. Complex queries can match complex statements. Queries can have patterns or regular expressions on character strings. Numbers can be compared to values or ranges. Language elements are normalized so escape conventions do not confound searches. Searches ignore language specific intervening while white space, line breaks, and comments providing more accurate answers. Optional grep like string regular expression search. Scrollable list of search hits with context. Logs list of search hits for later investigation. Immediate visibility of matching source files with highlighted search hits. Immediate access to source file text corresponding to any individual hit. Launch your favorite editor on source file found by search. Can handle many computer language in the same session by query. Translates arbitrary character sets ASC to ISO 88591 Unicode, Shift JIS, EBCDIC and a wide variety of Microsoft code pages into a uniform representation for indexing and display. The search engine provides an interact interface enabling one to search across a large source code basic quickly using the language structure of each of the languages, providing far more precise answers than simple string searches can produce. For any query, the search engine offers a list of matches with surrounding context. The user can select a specific match and immediately inspect the source file. That's about my topic. Thank you.